children, today let's start with chapter number 10, that is celebrating festivals. So, India is the country of festival, and we celebrate many festivals with our friends, family, and neighbors and relatives. Festival bring fun and happiness in our life. People wear new clothes, लोग नए clothes पहनते हैं, gifts exchange करते हैं, sweets exchange करते हैं. And festival is the time when people share their joys with their loved ones. So, name the festival we celebrate here. Now, festival 3 types के होते हैं: religion, religious, harvest और national. So, religious festivals, they are the festival people follow different religion all over the country. So, the festival which we celebrate according to our religion is called religious festival. Like we have Diwali, Holi, Eid and Christmas. Then we have Diwali. It's a festival of Hindu and it is the festival of light. It is believed that on this day Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after living in the forest for 14 years. 14 years of exile. Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Ganesha is worshipped, and we decorate house with candles, houses with diyas and electric light. They wear new clothes and exchange gifts and treats. Some people burn fireworks and crackers too. Eid ul-Fitr, Eid. Eid ul-Fitr is the festival of Muslim. Ramzan is the holy month. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated after 30 days of Ramzan. Right? People go to mosque or Eidgah to offer prayer. They wish their festival and family Eid Mubarak, and they embrace each other and they wear new clothes and eat special dish called Sivai. Next is Christmas. It is celebrated by the Christians every year on 26th December. Lord Jesus is born. On this day, people go to church to pray and sing Christmas carols. They also decorate their houses with Christmas tree. They exchange gifts and cakes with their friends and families and wish them Merry Christmas. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring gift for them. कि बच्चे वेट करते हैं कि सेंटा क्लॉज हमारे लिए क्या लेके आएंगे, गिफ्ट लेके आएंगे. Guru Parv, celebrated by Sikh, it's the mark the birthday of 10 Guru. On this day, what Sikh offer? Prayers. In Gurudwaras, carry procession, cook food, prasad, and offer this to poor and needy. This free meal offered to everyone is Gurudwara. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? लंगर कहते हैं. Sikhs listen to teachings of their Guru. And Holi, Dashera, Durga Puja, there are some religious festival we celebrate. We have harvest festival, जैसे होली हो गया, आपका बिहू हो गया. इनको हम कब celebrate करते हैं? जब crop ripe होती है, need to be. First is Bihu. It is celebrated in Assam 3 different times of the year: spring, autumn, and winter. We prepare pitha, sweet dish made of rice. Laru, sweet dish made up of rice and cotton. Jolpan, snack on this day. Bihu dances performed on this festival. Baisakhi, festival of Sikh. It is celebrated on 13th or 14th April, and it marks the beginning of Sikh New Year. It is celebrated mainly in Punjab and Haryana. People sing traditional song and perform bhangra and gidda. Next we have Onam. केरला का फेस्टिवल है. 10 days के लिए किंग महाबली को वर्शिप करता है. स्नेक बोट एंड रेसेस और एलिफेंट प्रोफेशंस आर हेल्ड टू सेलिब्रेट. पीपल मेक प्याशम स्वीट डिश टू डेकोरेट देयर होम्स. रंगोलीज बनाते हैं फ्लावर्स से. देन वी हैव पोंगल, हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन तमिलनाडु. It is celebrated for 4 days in month of January. People worship sun god, rain god and cattle for the good harvest. Right? People what they prepare pongal rice with good jaggery and milk. Then we have national festival which is celebrated by people living in our country. Right? We celebrate Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day which is celebrated on 15th August every year. Independence Day on 15th August, Republic Day celebrated on 26th January every year, Independence Day on 15th August, and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd August. It's a birthday of Gandhiji, who is also known as Father of Nation. Independence Day, 15 August, we become free from British. Take a rule, Prime Minister hosts national flag. We sing Jan Gan Man on this day. Republic Day, 26th January 1950, we celebrate 26th January every year as Republic Day. Armed forces, folk dance, and school children's wear colorful dresses और वो परेड करते हैं राजपाथ. गांधी जयंती 2 अक्टूबर, बर्थडे ऑफ महात्मा गांधी. राइट, एक फादर ऑफ नेशन है. ही इज आवर नेशनल लीडर जो विजिट है समाधि ऑफ महात्मा गांधी एट राजघाट इन न्यू दिल्ली. सो फेस्टिवल आर सेलिब्रेटेड विद फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड वी मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट ऑल फेस्टिवल इवन इफ वी डू नॉट सेलिब्रेट. अगर आप उनको सेलिब्रेट भी नहीं करो तो आपको रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. राइट, दिस वॉज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर ऑफ फेस्टिवल. होप यू अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.